I'm Todd Youngblood with POSable. Today we're going to be showcasing our new big data platform that's actually tied into Datacap and their PDCX integration. This platform allows point-of-sale systems to pass all of their customer data, transaction details, item, inventory data up to multiple platforms that are available in the ecosystem today. Things like QuickBooks Online, Xero, Salesforce, Magento, Marketo. Normally developers have to write to all of these APIs independently. With the POSable platform, you have to write to one uniformed API and get access to all of these apps instantaneously. We're going to go ahead here and add a customer, and then we're going to add some items. So we're going to add a couple pieces of bacon, we're going to add some salami, we're going to add some cheddar cheese. We're going to scroll down and we're going to pay. So at this point in the transaction, Datacap takes the data, it processes the transaction up to the processor and returns all the sales data back to the point-of-sale system and to the POSable platform. If we go in here to QuickBooks and refresh our data, we can see a new invoice that's going to appear. We see a new invoice that appears. We click on the invoice, and here's all the item detail that we had. We got salami, cheddar, bacon, and all the appropriate amounts, quantities, our totals in there correctly, and our customer data is in there correctly. This all happens in real time. It can also be a summation of data at the end of the day, just pushed into a journal entry or a sales invoice, something of that nature. We also have the same effect in FreshBooks, so we're going to refresh our data again. We're going to go ahead and pull up the invoice. And again, we see our cheddar cheese, our salami, and our bacon in the system. This is all made possible by our back-end data mapping platform. So in this case, we're going to take our POSable instance and connect it to QuickBooks. Over here on the left-hand side, you see all the different item-level details or data elements that we can pass into QuickBooks. Now, this is just an example system, so there's not. This is just an example system, so there's not as much item detail for data elements as you see in the traditional point of sale. But we do have the ability to map to any aspect of QuickBooks with this platform. So we can just drag and drop the data elements from one side to the other and map them directly through. And as soon as we save this configuration, all of this data is mapped. You can do custom data mapping to meet individual customer needs or customer scenarios. We apply our workflow, whether we're pushing data in real time or summarizing the data at the end of the day. We save, and we're all set to go to push data in real time. For more information, you're welcome to visit POSable.io, POSable.io.